so PNAX, ginseng, has been shown to decrease some symptoms associated with menopause, mostly related to libido, although the other effects were unreliable. Other things like maca, which is known to increase dopamine, actually had minor effects. Things like, the names here are a little hard to pronounce, so forgive me, things like Valeriana officinalis.
There are a few problems with using research like this to say whether something helps or doesn't help with menopause and perimenopause, or any like health condition that you might be looking at. You run into problems when you're trying to look at herbs like drugs. Natural medicine does not take an herb and say, oh, I want to find an herb that does the same thing as X, Y, or Z drug. That's not natural medicine. A lot of times you're actually better off just taking the medication. It will do the job a lot better if you're just trying to do like a one-to-one trade-off. Now, this person, no shade to them, but they can't pronounce these names, so like a Valeriana officinalis, so they're not an herbalist, obviously, and so they wouldn't also know that herbs and formula are how you actually use herbal medicine in a really intelligent way to work with the body's wisdom. So during perimenopause and menopause, there's not one thing going on. There's not just hormones going on. Don't get sucked into that trap. What you want to do is actually have a really wise formula of herbs that address different aspects of your body and the physiologic needs happening. And that's what I did with PhytoAdapt, was when I put it together, I put herbs together that any one of them, yeah, there's some research that shows that it helps with perimenopause or menopause, but that's not the point. The point is that when you combine all of them together, you actually get something that's much greater than the sum of the parts.